The big question: what happens in the male brain during sex? This question has intrigued scientists and laypeople alike for generations. We have gazed at the stars, seeking to understand the vast universe beyond our planet, unraveled the mysteries of DNA, the very blueprint of life itself, and even landed robots on Mars, pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Yet, one of the most fundamental aspects of life, the human brain during sex, remains a tantalizing enigma. Despite our technological advancements, the inner workings of the brain during this intimate act are still not fully understood. What happens within the intricate neural networks of a man's brain during this most intimate of acts? How do neurons communicate, and what triggers the cascade of neurochemical reactions? For centuries, this question has lingered in the realm of speculation and conjecture. Ancient texts and early scientific drawings attempted to explain it, but lacked the tools and knowledge we have today. Now, thanks to groundbreaking research, we are finally beginning to peel back the layers of this complex puzzle. Advanced imaging technologies and sophisticated analytical methods are providing new insights. Scientists are using cutting-edge technology to map the neural pathways and neurochemical cascades that underpin male sexual behavior. These technologies allow us to see the brain in action, revealing the dynamic processes at play. These studies are not just about satisfying our intellectual curiosity. They hold immense promise for understanding and treating sexual dysfunctions that affect millions of men worldwide. The implications of this research extend far beyond the lab. By illuminating the brain's role in sex, we can develop more effective therapies for conditions like premature ejaculation and erectile dysfunction, improving the lives of countless individuals. This knowledge can lead to better diagnostic tools and personalized treatments, improving the lives of countless individuals. The potential for enhancing sexual health and overall well-being is enormous. So, buckle up as we embark on a fascinating journey into the depths of the male brain, exploring the intricate dance of neurons, neurotransmitters, and hormones that orchestrate the symphony of sex. This journey promises to be as enlightening as it is intriguing. Exploring the intricate dance of neurons, neurotransmitters, and hormones that orchestrate the symphony of sex. Join us as we delve into the science behind one of the most fundamental human experiences. Mice and men, a surprising connection. When it comes to unraveling the complexities of the brain, scientists often turn to our smaller, furry counterparts, mice. These tiny creatures, often seen scurrying in the shadows, hold the key to many mysteries of human biology. While seemingly worlds apart, mice and humans share a surprising degree of genetic and neurological similarity, making them invaluable models for studying human biology. The genetic overlap is so significant that nearly 85% of the genes associated with human diseases have counterparts in mice. In the realm of sexual neuroscience, researchers have made remarkable strides by studying the brains of male mice during sexual behavior. These studies have provided a window into the intricate dance of neurons and hormones that drive sexual function. By observing their neural activity and manipulating specific brain regions, scientists have gained unprecedented insights into the neural underpinnings of male sexual function. This involves not just observing, but also intervening in the brain's processes to see how changes affect behavior. One groundbreaking study, published in the prestigious journal Cell, used optogenetics, a revolutionary technique that allows scientists to control brain activity with light, to pinpoint the neurons responsible for triggering ejaculation in male mice. Optogenetics has transformed neuroscience, offering a level of precision that was previously unimaginable. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community, as it provided the first concrete evidence of a dedicated ejaculation center in the brain. The implications of this finding extend beyond basic science, offering potential pathways for clinical applications. This finding has far-reaching implications for our understanding of male sexual function and opens up exciting new avenues for developing targeted therapies for sexual dysfunctions. By identifying the specific neurons involved, researchers can now explore new treatments that could one day help individuals with sexual health issues. By studying the neural circuits in mice, we are gaining valuable clues about the workings of our own brains. These insights are not just academic, they hold the promise of real-world applications that could improve human health and well-being. The humble mouse, in its quiet way, continues to be a powerful ally in the quest to understand the human brain. Acetylcholine and dopamine, the brain's dynamic duo. These two neurotransmitters are pivotal in the intricate workings of the brain, especially when it comes to male sexual behavior. The brain is a bustling metropolis of electrical and chemical signaling, a complex and dynamic system that never rests. With billions of neurons constantly communicating through a complex network of synapses, the brain orchestrates a symphony of activities that define our very existence. Among the many chemical messengers that facilitate this intricate dance, two neurotransmitters, acetylcholine and dopamine, take center stage in the drama of male sexual behavior. They are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Acetylcholine, often referred to as the learning neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in muscle activation and movement. It is essential for the contraction of muscles, including those involved in sexual activity. In the context of sex, acetylcholine is responsible for transmitting signals from the brain to the muscles involved in erection and ejaculation. Without it, the physical aspects of sexual function would be impossible. Dopamine, on the other hand, is the brain's reward chemical, associated with pleasure, motivation, and addiction. It is the neurotransmitter that makes us feel good and drives us to seek out rewarding experiences. During sex, dopamine floods the brain's reward pathways, reinforcing the behavior and creating a sense of euphoria. This flood of dopamine is what makes sex feel so pleasurable and rewarding. These two neurotransmitters work in concert, like a perfectly synchronized dance duo, to orchestrate the physiological and psychological aspects of male sexual experience. Their interplay ensures that both the body and mind are fully engaged. Understanding their interplay is crucial for unraveling the complexities of sexual function and dysfunction. By studying how acetylcholine and dopamine interact, scientists hope to develop better treatments for sexual dysfunction and improve overall sexual health. Section 4. From mounting to ejaculation. A play in 3 acts. Male sexual behavior, like a well-scripted play, unfolds in a series of distinct stages, each characterized by specific physiological and neurological changes. Researchers have identified 3 primary stages: mounting, intromission, and ejaculation. During the mounting phase, the male brain is abuzz with activity. Sensory information from the female, such as pheromones and tactile stimulation, triggers a cascade of neural signals that activate the hypothalamus, a brain region responsible for regulating sexual behavior. Intromission marks the next act in this intricate play. As the male engages in penetrative sex, sensory feedback from the penis further intensifies the neural activity in the hypothalamus and other brain regions involved in arousal and reward. The final act, ejaculation, is the culmination of this complex neurochemical ballet. The buildup of sensory input reaches a critical threshold, triggering a surge of acetylcholine, which signals the muscles involved in ejaculation to contract, releasing semen. Section 5. Premature ejaculation, a new hope. Premature ejaculation, a condition characterized by uncontrolled ejaculation with minimal sexual stimulation, affects millions of men worldwide. It can have a devastating impact on a man's self-esteem and relationships, leading to feelings of shame, anxiety, and frustration. While the exact causes of premature ejaculation remain elusive, researchers believe that an imbalance in neurotransmitters, particularly serotonin and dopamine, may play a significant role. Studies have shown that men with premature ejaculation tend to have lower levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in mood regulation and sexual function, and higher levels of dopamine, which can increase sensitivity and arousal. The groundbreaking research on mice, pinpointing the ejaculation center in the brain, offers a glimmer of hope for men struggling with premature ejaculation. By understanding the neural circuits involved in ejaculation, scientists may be able to develop targeted therapies that modulate the activity of these circuits, delaying ejaculation and improving sexual satisfaction. Section 6. Bridging the gap from mice to men. While studies on mice have provided invaluable insights into the neural mechanisms of male sexual behavior, it's important to remember that mice are not tiny humans in fur coats. There are inherent differences between species, and findings from animal studies cannot always be directly extrapolated to humans. However, the basic principles of neurobiology are remarkably conserved across species. The neurotransmitters, brain regions, and neural pathways involved in sexual function in mice share striking similarities with those in humans. Therefore, the insights gained from studying mice serve as a valuable starting point for understanding human sexual neurobiology. By bridging the gap between animal models and human studies, we can develop more effective treatments for sexual dysfunctions and enhance our understanding of this fundamental aspect of human experience.